Hey guys, we are here in Mandani Bay, and yesterday we were not able to proceed in going here, so today we are here in order to check hold on. The guard was suddenly stopping us. Anywho, I'm at the parking. I'm looking for a place to park this car. And Marge and I are here. We decided to come here before we will meet with client, which is tomorrow. So today is reconnaissance day. I parked there because there are two other purple cars. I am going to meet with Chloe instead of Regella, because she is off duty today. So she has assigned Chloe to me. And before getting in this establishment, she said I have to wear a face shield and a face mask. Sunglasses optional. This is the AV room where the clients are first entertained, and the agents from Mandani Bay will talk to them. This is the Studio Plus with 33.28 square meters of floor area. You'll be excited to know that the studio units in Tower 3 are fully furnished. So among the deliverables are air condition, smart TV with rack, sofa bed, two-seater sofa bed, two-seater dining table, a mirror, a bed with mattress, a wardrobe cabinet, and kitchen items, toilet and bath, and some other areas like the light fixtures and blackout blinds. Oh, Tower 3, very nice. And this is the 2-bedroom with a total area of 21.78. The 2-bedroom is finished deliverable. And this, our third unit, is the 1-bedroom with 49.82 of floor area. This 1-bedroom unit is fully furnished upon delivery as well. beautiful, beautiful Mandani Bay. And our next stop will be Tambuli in Mactan. So we'll have to cross the bridge, the first or the second, whichever ways takes us. So see you there. Bye. Just arrived at Tambuli, and first stop is the showroom. Very green here. This is the showroom. This is where I'll bring the client tomorrow. I am inside the one-bedroom unit. The floor area ranges from 62 to 73 square meters. The price ranges for this one bedroom is from 10.5 million to 12.3. It's a very big area, so that's why it's quite expensive as well. And as of today, because of the pandemic, Tower 2, the selling of Phase 2 is put on hold. Okay, so what I have here are the remaining sellable units, which is located in Tower E and Tower F. What remains in Tower E and Tower F are only the one-bedroom unit and the penthouse. The penthouse ranges, the floor area of the penthouse ranges from 72 up to 88.06 square meters. It's quite a big penthouse unit. I'm gonna say goodbye for a little bit to the showroom and head on to the resort. Hopefully I can fly my drone. The last time I was here was on March 5 for the launching of Phase 2. Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, no selling of Phase 2. Apparently, Tambuli is very strict. Very strict when it comes to photos and videos. So I had to sign a paperwork in order for me to access the resort to take videos of the poolside. And then I asked permission if I can use my drone, and then they said yes. But in exchange for all of this, all my videos should be submitted to them. Why? Why are they very strict? Those are my videos. Hi Zeke, today is reconnaissance day.
Dito?